So you might be trying to figure out how to use Whatnot. Whatnot is a very popular type of shopping application that allows you to do like live, I guess, streaming your shopping, which is really cool. You can bid on things and buy things via live streams. So this is what the application looks like. It's a very popular one. It has hundreds of thousands of reviews. Now, when you first download it and install it, it's going to ask you to create an account. So download the app and you can log in via Google or Apple. So it's a pretty easy, install, pretty easy. You don't have to really make an account, but you can. Now, when you first open up the application and you specify exactly things that you're interested in, this is what the layout of the application is going to look like. The top, you're going to have a little search bar. So you're going to be able to search through Whatnot and kind of install exactly what you want or search for what you want. You have a little DM panel, a notification drawer, and then a little icon at the top that just shows you how you can earn rewards and different things like that. Now, your For You page and your Pop Mart are going to be very similar. So For You page is basically just like within TikTok or any other page. It allows you to kind of see at a high level things that might interest you. So I just installed it, so it's going to try to learn how I am. I'm not interested in this stuff, but it'll learn how I shop, I guess, over time. Under Pop Mart, it's going to show you more stuff too. So you have two different tabs. I'm sure it'll populate further. At the bottom, you have a couple of more tabs. So you have the Home tab here. You have categories. So you can kind of go through and see categories of your particular, things that you're interested in. So if the main page doesn't show you anything, you can go through and kind of click on here and be like, hey, I'm really interested in, sports memorabilia. So I can tap right here and then get into sports memorabilia and kind of check out more categories of all these things. So people are currently live streaming all these different types of tabs. And that right there is another really cool thing you can kind of do as well. Now, if you want to start selling, you can click on the sell button that's in the center bottom right here. And you can say, I'm interested in selling. And then you can go through and kind of do that there. So you can start selling things on Whatnot if you want to. And that right there is another really cool thing. You have your activity page, which shows you anything that you're currently doing inside of, Whatnot. So it'll show you right now and kind of, tell you more things within Whatnot right now. So that's another really cool thing. You can kind of go through right here and see your activity and kind of do everything right here. So if you get DMs and messages and everything, you can also see things that you've bid on, offers, anything saved. So that right there is another really cool thing as well. And you can also refer friends. And then you can see offers and saved right up there as well. At the bottom, you have your accounts. So you can tap on account right here and get more information about your account. So you can kind of talk and see different information, the affiliate program here, payments and shipping, addresses, verified buyer notifications, all these other things that you have right here. You can kind of go through and just kind of cipher through exactly what you like. And then you can go through and kind of sign out at the bottom too if you really want to. If you see a video, let's say you start watching these types of videos, this is what a normal kind of video would end up looking like. So you'll end up seeing kind of what they're selling, a lot of other information, who else is watching it. And you'll also see a like button kind of, you'll see video, like ways of sharing it. You'll be able to bid on people's things as well. So I haven't set up my account, but you can start going through and start purchasing what people are actually looking for and kind of searching. And you can even leave comments here too. So it's kind of like a QVC kind of thing back in the day, but now you can actually leave comments and people are like actually live streaming this stuff, which is actually really cool. So that's basically all you're really going to have to do. That is essentially how you go ahead and use Whatnot. I keep saying WhatsApp, but that's how you use Whatnot. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.